Hey everybody, this is week 11. This is the last week of this term, and we are going to introduce to you some new songs for term 3. And that way, when you have exams next week, then you can practice these songs with your family and get really familiar with them, and then you'll be ready to do some more really fun activities with them the following weeks in term 3. And so these songs all are going to be using some notes, mainly so mi, so mi, and we're going to be adding a new one, so mi la, so mi la. But we'll learn that in term 3 some more. So for now, we just want to introduce the songs. So the first one is Rain, Rain. And most of you probably have heard this song before. So it goes like this. I'll sing it once, and then we'll sing it with an echo, and you guys can learn it with us. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. So I'll just sing it, and you guys echo me, okay? Are you ready to echo? Rain, rain, go away.
Rain, rain, go away.
Come again some other day.
Come again some other day.
Now let's see if we can do it all together. Ready, sing. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Now, do you think you guys can do it without me? Try it.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day.
Good. Now, this next song is called Little Sally Water. My goodness. Little Sally Water. And it is sounds almost the same, but it's a lot longer with a lot more words. And so listen carefully. I'm going to start it and have you echo me, okay? Little Sally Water. Can you sing that?
Little Sally Water.
Keisha?
Little Sally Water.
Sitting in a saucer.
Sitting in a saucer.
And when I sing and you guys listen, then you can echo along with my girls or try it again on your own. Rise, Sally, rise, Sally.
Rise, Sally, rise, Sally.
Wipe away your tears, Sally.
Wipe away your tears, Sally.
Turn to the east, Sally.
Turn to the east, Sally.
Turn to the west, Sally.
Turn to the west, Sally.
Turn to the one that
Turn to the one that
you love the best, Sally.
you love the best, Sally.
Let's try that last part again. You love the best, Sally.
You love the best, Sally.
Yeah, nice. Now I'm going to sing one whole line at a time, a whole phrase, okay? Little Sally Water, sitting in a saucer. Now it's your turn.
Little Sally Water, sitting in a saucer.
Sing nicely. Rise, Sally, wipe away your tears, Sally.
Rise, Sally, wipe away your tears, Sally.
Turn to the east, Sally, turn to the west, Sally.
Turn to the east, Sally, turn the west, Sally.
Turn to the one that you love the best, Sally.
Turn to the one that you love the best, Sally.
Good. Those are the first two. And I want you guys to practice those, and then you can watch the video for the next two. Thanks.